Hey everyone, today we're looking at IBIO. What a crazy power after hour move. Zoom in here, nobody cares about the normal trading hours. Gotta stay above VWAP for support and above $1.05 area. And then gotta break $1.24 recently, looking at the more charts here. Gotta break it up there at 130, another at 165, and then we'll put a couple more here at, let's say, 240, and then up there at $4. This is just after hour volume pressure going on here. Just wait till you get the pre-market, and then you got the pumpers. This could easily go back up to $4 and past that. Wow, look at that. Look at all the orders continuing to come in, Remember, guys, buy when you want, sell when you want. Don't listen to me, don't listen to others. Trade on your dime. Taking a look at the news, they just received 500 million capacity. That is for the virus vaccine. All right, guys, I'm really excited for tomorrow pre-market. This will be the top of my watch list. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, leave them down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.